this morning, along with Maggie. Good morning and welcome to you.
Good morning. I'm
All right.
pleased to be here.
Every day, many pets are lost.
Every 2 seconds, a family pet is lost in the United States.
So that
That's
makes for
millions
a lot.
and millions a year.
Okay, you have a way to stop that, or at least to find them when they're lost.
Problem is that most of these pets that are lost never get returned to their owners. There's studies that show that only 2% of the cats and about 15% of the dogs who are lost ever reunited because their collars fall off, the identification tag. You put tattoos in the ear. As they get older, these fade and they become obscured. So we have to have a permanent means of identification. And recently there's been a new technology developed with a microchip that we can implant into the subcutaneous muscle under the neck. And with
what does that do?
That emits a radio frequency, which when activated by a scanner, detects that particular number. That code number relates to that dog in terms of the owner, his medical problems, his veterinarian. So I want to just put the implant. It's a very simple procedure.
Maggie, are you ready for this?
It's essentially painless. Oh, here we are, Maggie. Here we are.
She's not.
She's anticipating this. So what we're going to do is we're going to just disassemble the...
Close your eyes, Maggie.
Here we are.
Close your eyes.
And we're going to microchip Maggie so when she happens to be away from her owner, she can be reunited. Here we are. So it's simply a matter of taking alcohol.
Is the microchip in there already?
The microchip is a little white. See that's the microchip. And it has a little antenna on it. Which is activated
by...
by...
a needle, though.
Well, here we are.
It is.
So we want to just bring Maggie right around. And we're going to aseptically prepare the area right here.
Mommy's brave little soldier.
And then we're going to take a little topical anesthetic. This numbs the skin.
Oh, good.
So that way she won't feel anything.
Could I have a little of that, too?
Now, once that's done, it's simply a matter of taking the electrode. Well, first, I just want to show you. What we can do now is we can scan this.
Now, I want to know, though, how close do you...
There's a number. That microchip.
Do you have to drive up and down the street with this looking for your dog? I want to know, though, how you're going to find your dog just because this is implanted in it. Because all of the animal shelters, humane societies, animal control officers have this particular scanner. There's a universal scanner that will detect any microchip from any one of the two manufacturers. This is not going to help you, though, if somebody takes your dog. Well, if someone takes your dog, they're not going to have a scanner. They're not going to be interested in getting the dog back. But see, we just scanned this number. Now, this is unique to this particular microchip. So we're going to turn it off now, and we're going to take this microchip, sweetheart. And right where we prepared, I'm going to take this, and here we are. I know. That's it, though.
And it's just that simple.
It's all over.
Now it's implanted.
Just a little squeak from her.
So that means that forever, whenever Maggie would be lost from her home, it's a simple matter of her coming in contact with a scanner. We take this and we scan it. And there we see. And there is the number. Oh, you're a good girl. Now, this is for life. It never migrates. It's never painful. It's a universal. It's a safety net, and it's global. Is it pricey? The average price on this is around $30 to $32. Oh, that's nothing. That's the range. No, to keep your pet safe. And that's a small price to pay to keep your pet forever and ever identified. That's a great thing. That's a great thing. Are they available at every veterinarian's office? It's becoming more and more popular. You should contact your local veterinarian, and it's really becoming very widespread, and I recommend it highly. It can also be used for horses, for cats, for birds, even for fish. It's submersible. So you can identify your pet fish with this. When was the last time you saw a fish at an APL? That's what I want to know. So now Maggie's all set. Maggie, you're a good girl. Yes, I think you should get a big treat for this, a really big treat, and so should you. Okay, it's been a pleasure. Good. Nice to have you here as always. Good doggy, Maggie. And let's go over to the kitchen.